Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to verify your account and age on Twitter X. So with recent policy and law changes, you need to go in your verify your X account in order to be able to see specific content. Now to verify your account, we need to click on the home tab as you can see, and then top left corner, click on your profile and then go to settings and privacy. Here click on set security and account access, then go with security. You can see the ID verification part here. As you can click on it, you have to pay to premium for the ID verification. So what you have to do is go back to this settings and go to the premium and select the plan which you want to select. After selecting the program, go back to the security and account access and then security and upload the documents here in ID verification. This is how you can verify your account, and it is really simple as that. Guys, let me know in the comments if you found this helpful.